Okay, so in the last episode, we talked about what it looks like to love God with all of our mind, and how discipline, consistency, and training our bodies ties into training our hearts to pursue Him. So today we're going to continue that journey through what it means to give God everything. In this episode of Cribs, first official family camping trip is underway. Went ahead and picked up a duplex tent. It actually has a little divider in it, so there's basically two little condos. Take a look. Little man over there, living his best life. Got the kids, little pads and sleeping bags, and then me and Mama. We've got a nice little air mattress. Got a playpen for the little man. Got all of our junk. Even got a nightstand. And look how tall this tent is. I can literally stand up. So I have a different tent that we could have squeezed into, but we wouldn't have the space and there's no way you could stand up. So went ahead and sprung for it. Nothing fancy. It's called a WFS World Sports. I think it was called the Big Sur at Shields. Can't beat it, especially for this kind of camping. Brittany, what do you think about your accommodations for the weekend?
I love it. I am very grateful for it, so thank you very much. The space is nice with a family of 6. I'm trying to think for a second.
I love that little man. First camping trip ever. I love you, buddy.
So now you guys see the accommodations. We also brought some kayaks. We brought fishing stuff. Tubbs is ready to get in the lake. Look at him.
What? I'm ready.
You're ready? Chevelle's ready too.
She's like,
what's up, sweetheart? Yeah, that's my mama. What's up, Cammy? What's up, little mama?
no.
What? That was nasty. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
You don't even know?
Black. Yes, I am.
Got Cassie. What are you doing, Cassie? How you doing, mama? How you doing? Yeah. I had to pick up some cables for them because they want to go say hi to all the other people that are camping. So this trip is special to me. Growing up, this spot holds so many childhood memories. And now watching my kids jump off the same bridge that I jumped off when I was a kid and fish in the lake and laugh around a camp, I'm just reminded of how powerful the mind is. The Bible calls us to love God with all of our mind. That means a mind that's guarded, focused, and obedient to Him, even when distractions try to pull us away. Philippians 4:7 tells us, "The peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." A mind that truly loves God is both guarded, it's protected from destructive thoughts, and it's obedient. It aligns itself with His truth. So the question is this: am I guarding my mind, or am I letting the world fill it with distractions, negativity, and let's just call it what it really is, sin? Am I truly taking every thought captive unto Christ? Like 2 Corinthians 10:5 says, or do I let worry, fear, temptation just wreak havoc in my mind? We're down here by the lake, enjoying the water, kind of in the shade a little bit. We're not out on the point in the sun, but we are enjoying the water. Tubbs is trying to catch fish. He's convinced that well, he actually already did catch one in a net, so he's pretty proud of that. Got away from him pretty quick though. Dogs are enjoying the water, although there are some dead fish on the shore that they have decided are tasty little treats, and we're opposed to that, so we have to keep shooing them away. The ladies went ahead and picked up all the dead fish carcasses so they wouldn't be a temptation for the dogs, and so the dogs wouldn't roll them. Here in a little bit we're gonna cook dinner. I believe we got hamburgers. And then after that we'll be starting a little campfire and settling in for our first night on our first family camping trip in Montana. Well, dinner is done. I'm holding little man so Mama can get her a plate. He just needs lots of attention.
Really took my pickle.
What?
Said all this.
You want to explain what you're laughing about?
Well, I made a burger. Mom made a burger. and she asked for some drinks. So I took her to the car to get her some drinks. Came back. Neither one of us could find where we put plates at. Well, she grabbed my plate.
Too much mustard.
That had too much mustard on it. And then I ate her plate that had ketchup and mayonnaise on it that I do not like.
And I don't like that much mustard.
So she got all the mustard and I got the ketchup and mayonnaise.
It just squished.
And I'm not a big pickle person either. And there was a pickle on my plate.
And I thought Dad stole my pickle.
She was blaming him for taking it.
I've always been in.
But
It's like
she took 5 plates. And I just ate the plate that was left.
Maybe you took my
No, you were eating. You were sitting down eating already.
Well,
That's the story, folks.
I'll have to roll back the tape. How you guys like your little your room over there?
that's pretty nice.
It's pretty snazzy, ain't it?
Yeah. We might watch some movie and stuff like that. So all this will be fun. We'll go to sleep and we'll have all day tomorrow to go hang
Unless
out.
Kaya says it's time to go night-night.
Yeah.
Is it time to go night-night, Will Mama?
At night she'll boss me around and go to sleep or watch the movie. I'm like, girl, too bossy. And I was like, girl, and I said good morning, and all of a sudden he toots.
Was that your first night camping? Did you sleep good, Mamas?
Jesus.
Yes. First night down. I actually slept okay. I think I'm on carnivore and I think I ate a little bit too much fat, so my stomach was a little bit bubbly with the fatty hamburger and all the bacon that I ate. So it's one thing I gotta watch on this diet. I'm actually absolutely loving it, except for if I just pig out on super fat, like I did. Like I ate bacon that wasn't like rendered all the way down, so it was super fatty. And then I ate like 80-20 hamburger, with a lot of fat in it. Yeah, I've noticed like that'll kind of mess with me a little bit. But if I manage the fat content and don't just gorge, then it actually is pretty good. So my mistake. Cooking some breakfast, starting with bacon. I'll also be cooking some eggs. And then they've got some baked goods over there that I'm not going to be able to have, and some fruit. So that's what's on the menu for this morning. I feel better.
Here, try that.
Well, breakfast is done. Kids have already headed to the lake while we got everything cleaned up. Callan's getting his belly full. And I decided I'm gonna get in the kayak and do a little bit of fishing while I watch the kids play in the water. Okay, so I have decided to risk my camera gear on a kayak without a life vest. I just want to catch a fish, like a big fish though, not some little tiny dink. No fish yet. No fish yet. No fish yet. Not even a bite. I really don't understand what people see in fishing. I don't understand how they have fun fishing. I never catch anything.
So here's the challenge. Pay attention to your thought life. What do you let dominate your mind? Are you dwelling on things that honor God or on things that pull you further from God? Maybe for you it's entertainment. Maybe it's worry. Maybe it's just busyness. Are you a workaholic? Whatever it is, God calls us to renew our minds daily and focus on what's true, what's honorable, and what's praiseworthy. So again, ask yourself the honest question: am I hot, cold, or lukewarm? Do I love God with all my mind? So the truth is, God doesn't just want part of us, He wants all of us. That includes our thoughts, desires, and focus. If we'll surrender our minds to Him, we'll find the peace of God that surpasses all understanding. We decided to come down to the boat dock since we're still
catching mainly sunfish, but there are some perch in there. Oh. And we have caught a bass or two. So while it's still daylight and it's beautiful temperature out, we're gonna make the most of it, see if we can't catch a few more fish.
So as I watch my kids enjoy the same camp spot that I did growing up, I'm reminded of how I want my mind to be stayed on God, because that's where true peace is found.
Okay. Oh my word.
Tubbs got himself a little smallmouth.
You're gonna
I think it's a smallmouth.
something. Okay. Ow! Just give me that. See how he is? Yep. Look at that.
That's pretty nice, dude.
I think he's a keeper.
Think so?
Yeah. I bet you. He's like, oh man, I shouldn't have worked
Show
for
him
that
off.
bait.
Let's see him. Nice job, buddy.
That thing's a doozy. Oh jeez, oh jeez. I'm not letting you go.
You want a stringer?
No, 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 no.
Oh. You almost knocked. You probably knocked him out. Now we're back at camp. It's dark. Cynthia is tending to the fire. And look at this little miss. What about the ham man?
He was asleep and you woke up. So that's bright.
You're not supposed to shine the light right in his eyes.
What about this pretty thing?
Tired.
Tired? I'm actually tired too.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Count to 3 and tell me when to go. 1, 2, 3. Go!
That one, man.
He likes it.
Do it. 1, 2, 3. Go, buddy! 3, 2, 1, go!
Now count again.
You're funny.
Ooh. Here comes Grandma.
3, 2, 1.
We're back at camp. We just got done with dinner. Sorry I didn't show any of that, but they're just brats. I had brats and cheese while everybody else ate buns and fruit. And now we're just kind of chillaxing a little bit. I say no. Are you throwing a fit? Are you throwing a fit? Sure about that? Your face tells a different story.
Mama man? Nope, nope. That's not my little man. That's Callan. No man.
No,
Callan.
he's mad. That's what she said.
He's Callan. No, I'm mad. No, he's Callan. No, he's Callan. No, he's Callan. No.
Fire.
Yeah. Those are some Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss stinks.
Yeah.
I know, but I like how they bend. I'm like, I feel like I need to do a little dance.
So carnivore has not been the easiest diet, especially with this group. They make huckleberry pies and eat s'mores and get all the baked goods from Costco.
Hey, and yours is done.
Meanwhile, I'm over here just
I don't know what you're talking
salivating. What?
We've made this pretty easy on you.
As you're stuffing your face with a s'more?
It's terrible.
It looks like it's terrible.
Yeah, I made it really bad.
Huh?
But I made it real bad.
Ooh, that caramel. That's caramel. Also. That's on another level.
Remember I told you I saw that in a commercial and I'm like, I'm getting that for our s'mores.
Is that good, Mama?
Or actually,
Is that good, Mama?
Kaya. We just do one. Kaya, is that good?
She's busy.
He's like,
She has no time for talking.
Go to the mine, they kind of tell a little.
Today is the last day, which is kind of sad. But all good things must come to an end. We got to go ahead and get everything packed up, and then we can spend a few hours on the lake. Just like that, the tent is gone. Now it's time for breakfast. I'm starving.
Well, today is our last day. We got the chef on the Blackstone cooking some bacon for breakfast. Like and subscribe.
You know there's only one nothing left.
Come on. Oh.
Easy.
Pull him up. Let's go.
That wasn't even
Pick your pull up. Here, you do it. Get it on the camera.
You gotta hold him good, Tubbs.
There, perfect.
Hold him up. Let's see it. Nice job, dude. Real exhausted, but not too exhausted for ice cream. There we go. Is that good? We made it home. Trips like these are a lot of fun, but they're also a lot of work. Because you gotta plan for them, then you gotta clean up after them. But had a lot of fun. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and just kind of seeing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one.
So hey, thank you so much for joining me and my family on this camping trip and for walking with me through this series on loving God with everything. If this video encouraged you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. It helps me keep making more faith and family content like this. And until next time, keep God first, love your family well, and keep pressing forward.